This week, we finally pull away from Key West and officially kick off our 10,000-mile road trip to Alaska.
Palm trees fading in the rear view, glaciers somewhere up ahead, and us, still pretending we know what we're doing.
We're heading from Big Pine Key to Crystal River to check off one of my bucket list items, swimming with the Florida Manatees.
But the universe clearly had other plans, because things start going sideways before we even make it out of South Florida.
So buckle up. If the last 6 weeks were a warm-up, this is where the real adventure begins.
This is Recalculating Route.
The great adventure starts now.
And the chaos didn't even wait a mile.
Whew. Got too much hair.
She's a Powerpuff Girl. I think the gravity of what we're getting ready to do is just starting to hit me. 10,000 miles and we're at mile 0.
So this is our grill, our little pop-up grill. I promise I'll show it to you guys later. It's just time to go.
All right, high-speed pack-up time. Rolling up the mat, shove it through the door, and yeah, we still haven't rearranged half this stuff. Front slide in, rear slide in. Now before we hit the road, it's tank dump time. Yep, everyone's favorite part. Hose back in, wind it up, pack it away. And just like that, we're almost rolling.
I remember which one this is in.
Look for the little sticker on the door.
On the door?
Yeah.
I don't think I think that far ahead.
You're just a grab and go kind of chick.
Grab and go when it comes to this stuff. I don't put much thought in this. You tell me to go, I say okay. You ready?
So since we know this drive is going to be 10,000 miles, we're going to reset our tripometer to 0, and we're going to keep track of all the miles throughout this entire trip. All right, enough of that. Let's go. So today's drive, we are leaving Key West and heading to Crystal River. Should be about a 7.5-hour drive, a little over 440 miles. Hopefully the wind dies down a little bit because it is windy.
So 5 minutes in, got our first problem. What's going on?
No, not our first problem. I don't know, the RV feels really weird. At first it seemed like it was leaning really heavily to the passenger side, but it is a windier day and we pulled out of the RV park straight onto a bridge. So I'm just trying to pay attention to make sure everything feels good to go. I think we're okay.
Famous last words. I think we're okay.
This is such a beautiful drive. Yeah, I was originally wondering why, whenever they replaced this bridge on the 7-mile bridge, why they didn't make it into 4 lanes, but the only logical thing I could think of is that there was really no point, considering the rest of the road is all 2 lanes through all of the towns and cities.
Well, if you guys know, let us know. Comment below.
It feels so weird being back in Orlando, though. It really does.
Feels really weird to kind of be this close to what used to be our home all the time. So what is your favorite part about the RV?
Just being able to change your location, different destinations, different places to be able to go, but always having the comfort of home with you. There's just something amazing about opening up your door, seeing a different place in the morning, but being in your bed and having all your belongings with you. I just love it.
Okay, so the one day when things actually go correct.
Very shocking. We picked one gas station, went to it, and it's wide open. This never happens. So our goal with this trip is 10,000 miles all the way up to Alaska. On a side note, we also want to reach 10,000 subscribers. So if you can, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and let your friends know about it as well, because every little bit helps.
I can't believe you got that. Need my little tippity tip 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 top.
Give it a little tappy. Tap, tap, tap-a-roo.
Tap it in.
Just tap it in.
Okay, so mailbox. Oh, mailbox.
right here. First big day is done. Now we just got to get into our spot and get settled for the night. It's been a long day. I'm tired.
So what kind of a hookup do we have?
It is a flat tow system. It's very similar to like Blue Ox and other kind of towing systems that a lot of people have. We actually found a cheaper alternative from eTrailer. We decided to give that a try and we absolutely love it. But with that actually being said though, the car is set up with the Blue Ox receiver. The actual flat towing kit that we got from eTrailer accepts the Blue Ox receiver.
So my job is to take care of the inside of the car. Put it in park, hold the emergency brake, flip the switch, take out the key. This key doesn't work for anything except for just our towing. We had it made because we have to leave a key in the car when we're towing it down the road.
And the reason why is that the steering wheel has to be unlocked when towing.
And we're ready to go?
Nope, we gotta pack away the wire under the hood.
Oh, yeah, you gotta do that.
Did you know this place was as nice as it is?
No, I mean, it looked nice, but I mean, you never really know.
No, you never do,
From the
but-
pictures.
Yeah, it looks pretty good. All right, let's go find our spot.
Good job there, Hot Stuff.
Thank you, love.
This is a nice spot.
Yeah.
It's very level.
After being in Tuck in the Woods and being in Key West and nothing but sand and gravel lots, it's really nice to have a paved lot again.
We're right by the clubhouse,
Yeah, we're right by
too.
the clubhouse, and did you see that there was a, there's
saw-
a food truck right there?
Yeah, I saw
Do
they
you
had
wanna
a
go
food.
check it out?
I do.
Okay. Well, then let's get
set up and then go check it out. You guys want to go check out the food truck?
Yes.
Yeah.
Food truck.
Yeah, food truck.
Food truck.
Yeah,
Food.
it's literally right there.
We have got to get our bays cleaned out.
A lot of things we got to do.
We got juice.
Ew.
Bye bye poop. Bye bye poop.
I so see you being that little kid on the toilet singing that song.
I'm an adult and I do it.
That's the truth. So we are in Crystal River. This is the first stop on our 10,000 mile journey. We're here for the next 5 days, mostly to do some things on our bucket list. Actually, specifically my bucket list. We lived in Florida for 12 years, and in those 12 years, though I may have had opportunities, I never took the opportunity to go swim with the manatees. I'm an animal enthusiast. I love any kind of animal encounter that is ethical. So we're gonna go swim with the manatees.
It seems like our right side and our front are always low, no matter where we go.
I don't know why.
We rarely ever put blocks.
On the other side,
other
yeah, we
side.
don't.
It's very, very rare. Doesn't it just seem like it's leaning like crazy to this side?
I don't think so. I don't know. Do you think it's leaning? Okay, so it is definitely leaning. So I'm holding this straight.
I don't think, I mean, does this spot look super uneven?
No, but
Did you notice it leaning really bad whenever I was driving it?
no. Didn't look like it was leaning to me.
I don't know, it's just really weird. You know, I mean, today it felt, oh my God, are you okay? You missed one entire step and you didn't even drop the camera?
No.
That's it. Hey. It's serious.
Yeah, if I haven't
Wow.
told you guys before, I'm a little bit clumsy. That is just example 1 of 100 you will have on this trip.
But like, you can't even walk straight, but the fact that you fell, you missed a step and didn't drop the, like, hey, impressive.
I got skills. So today, after our long 8-hour drive yesterday, we have to go pick up a package from our last ordered this keyless entry door lock. Actually, we've been waiting on this keyless entry door lock to come out since we've had our RV. And it arrived late due to weather. So today we are on our way back to South Carolina. Yet another long 5-hour drive there and back.
I was thinking like crazy why it seemed like it was leaning so bad, but I'm convinced it's not leaning real bad. I believe the driver's side front shock absorber is locked up. But luckily we were able to locate a pair of shocks from O'Reilly's. We went ahead and placed the order. Now we're just waiting for them to arrive so we can pick them up and put them on.
We're here.
I'm over driving. 8 hours yesterday, 5 hours today. We're only halfway there.
So, note to self and anybody else, don't order a package 5 days before you're supposed to leave. Okay, now let's turn around and go back.
Let's go. We got what we needed. Oh, we never got the garbage out. Okay, we're going over there to get rid of the garbage.
Oh, we didn't get the garbage out, did we?
No, we never got rid of it at
Oh
the
my
last
God.
campsite. So
Oh, I can't believe we forgot to do that this morning.
let's go get rid of it here.
Get rid of the garbage.
After almost 10 hours of driving, we get a phone call. Yeah, the shocks are arrived. So now the big question, do we install them tonight? Because nothing says relax after a long day's drive like crawling underneath an RV at midnight.
Yeah, Craig decided to put them in.
So I'm holding the camera off a little bit to the side so you guys can see me, but I have one shock removed, the other one is going on. Very tight quarters underneath here. All right, top shock is out. New one's in place, so I'll slide the top bolt through and snug it down. Now that it's tight, we can cut the strap and let the shock do its thing. Ease down, settle in, and line up with the lower mount. Washers on, nut on, and we'll grab the 1 1/8 socket and send it home. Couple turns, tighten it up, and that's it. New shocks are on, but did it fix it? Not too optimistic, but I was really hoping for more of a smoking gun to be able to find a shock completely locked up whenever I took them both off. One of them was blown out, the other one seemed like it was locking up when it was about halfway compressed, but we'll find out. Still leaning to one side. I don't know if maybe leaf spring broke in a position that I'm not seeing or what. I don't know. That sucks. Pulled into Paddles Outdoor Adventure, and honestly, the second I saw those kayaks lined up, the fatigue from the drive just disappeared. 2 hours on the water? Yeah, I'm actually excited for this. After everything this week threw at us, a kayak might be exactly what we needed. Really? You just gotta. You want another stuffy? We will get you a manatee stuffy if that's what you want. You're a mess.
Do you see those eyes? Oh, they're so cool.
Yeah, I see the same eyes on you.
All right, everybody hang tight. In a couple minutes, we'll be to the launch. Once we get to the launch, I'm gonna hand out a couple things for you guys. Life vest and paddles. Life vest, you don't have to wear if you don't want to. You just have to be on the kayak at all times.
Yes, it's not bad. We met everybody there and it was like 5-minute drive to the bay.
There we go. There we go. Now let me.
Thank you.
Thank you.
No problem.
Oh my God, Craig.
Oh my God, I cannot believe that we just saw a mom and a calf swim literally underneath our boat. I tried to get the best shot of it. I really hope it came out. Fingers crossed. I don't even know how well the GoPro's working right now. Tabby had a little accident. Without thinking, she dunked the GoPro in the water with the media mod on when it's not waterproof. So I don't know if this is actually recording anything, but fingers crossed that all was good.
He's right there. Look in the water.
Oh my God.
So I don't know if it's coming in very well, but the white tags, they're little buoys, the white tags of the manatees. When they rescue them or when they're injured, they actually tag them to keep people away from them. So if you see the white tags in Crystal River, stay away from the manatee. Well, we've got alligator sightings.
Yeah, he's riding his dog. So there is also a gator back here, a little baby gator that we call Tim because he's very timid. They said they seen him earlier on the tree line and they didn't see him when we came in. So he's somewhere around here. So if you do see him, don't be scared. He's very shy. He's scared of people.
That was so cool to get so close. Unfortunately, we cut the camera right as the mom and the baby calf both breached out of the water at the same time to take a breath. I got to see it in my head. Just imagine it yourself, but it was absolutely beautiful.
We had a water guide who was pregnant, and it sensed the heartbeat of the baby in her stomach.
You're
it was like trying to like kiss her stomach.
Oh my gosh!
There's a picture of it on our Instagram.
Oh my
That's
goodness,
sick.
that is so sweet.
That is wild.
Oh,
What a hell of a first picture for the kid.
seriously,
You know what I mean?
your first kiss, you know? So some interesting facts about manatees. Did you know their closest relative, biological relative, is an elephant? The trunk on the manatee is just an adaptation of an elephant's trunk. Their skin is still about an inch thick, very similar to an elephant's, and it has no natural predators, of course, other than humans and boats. So what do you think so far?
This is amazing. I wish that it wasn't high tide and the water was a little bit more clear just so we could see it a little bit better, but that's so minimal besides the fact that we got to see manatee, let alone a calf. That was amazing. So that was actually a lot more fun than I could have ever expected. That only gets me more pumped and excited about going snorkeling to see them tomorrow.
Yesterday, we kayaked Crystal River and spotted manatees from above, but today we're going full mermaid, suited up in our wetsuits, which were basically neoprene sausage coverings. We waddled onto the boat like two emotional support penguins. Then we saw her, a mama manatee and her tiny calf. They were drifting together like slow-moving clouds. Something in the world got quiet then, the way it does when you stumble onto a beauty you didn't know you were waiting for. And when we finally slid into the water, everything in me shifted gears. The cold stopped yelling at my body, and the chaos in my brain took a back seat. Manatees drifted around us with the gentle curiosity of creatures who'd never once overcomplicated a single day. They were calm, a little goofy, and completely unbothered by the circus around them. The kind of energy I wish I could bottle up on my bad mornings. For a few breaths, we weren't running, fixing, escaping, or recalculating. We were simply floating, held by the river, seen by Mother Nature, and reminded that wonder can still find you, even in the middle of our questionable choices.
No, you're good.
Next week on Recalculating Route, the hits keep coming and so do the repairs. Stay tuned as things get real.